Hello. Oh my goodness. We are flying home. So it's currently Monday the 15th at 7:30 at night. I'm at my dad's cousin's house in LA. We flew here 2 days ago and we've stayed the last 2 nights. And we have a midnight flight tonight to go home. The overall trip is 19 hours all up. We have a stopover in Fiji. And we're going to make it home Wednesday the 17th at noon Australian time. But my 3 younger sisters don't know that I am coming home. The only people that know that I'm coming home are my parents, because I had to organise everyone being at home. So this little vlog is going to be pretty much like a travel time, what we get up to, if I even vlog much. Like, it's an overnight flight, so we're just going to sleep tonight because we leave literally at midnight. But I really want to get my sisters' reactions of me coming home early and surprising them. So I need to come up with how, because I've got like 3 sisters and all of them work different jobs, so they're all going to come home from their job on Wednesday at different times. So I'll be able to like surprise them all individually, which is going to be so much fun to see their individual reaction and everything like that, and have a moment to catch up with them. So I'm looking forward to them because I have missed them, all 3 of them, so much. So Ash, Bill and Dace, if you're watching this, I hope you guys were surprised. I've missed you all so much, and this was so hard to keep it from you. I've literally been posting videos and photos all day of me still in Guatemala when I've been sitting in LA. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And I'm keen to get home, keen to go back to Australia. We just got to the airport.
Yes.
It's just after 9.
We're so tired.
So tired. Our flight's at midnight and we've got a just under 11-hour flight to Fiji. That means when we get off at 90 we don't have to pick it up. Perfect. 8.4 for Ryan. He's a lot lighter. Okay, we just checked in. We got our boarding passes. We just dropped off our bags because it was included with our flight. So we normally don't do that. So it's nice to just carry a little small backpack with us. But yeah, we're like only got 2 more flights and then we're done. So now we're gonna go through security, passport stuff, and then just go and chill, which, let's go over here. Jump on the flight.
Sure, your device. Ladies and gentlemen.
It is like 10 to 8 LA time, 10 to 3 Fijian time, and I'm pretty sure it'll be 10 to 1 a.m. Melbourne time. That's where my head's at. Whoa. And we've got about 2 more hours on this flight, and then we have our stopover in Fiji. We slept for most of it, just gonna watch the movies now, and I think we're gonna get served breakfast or something like that. So it actually went really quick, and it's crazy to think that we're gonna land in Melbourne soon. We made it to Fiji. I'm dying. I am crashing so hard right now. So we got just under a 6-hour flight to Melbourne. This is the last flight of our trip. Last one. We just got up and found out that we're delayed. Slightly. But who knows how long that's going to be for. We're boarding. Woo. See you soon, Melbourne. I'm so excited. Hello, Australia. We're just about to land after 19 hours of traveling.
Here we come.
I'm so keen. I'm so excited. I can't wait to surprise you guys when you guys see this. I'm like tearing up. Touchdown.
Yeah.
Hello. We've made it. And there's no one. because we didn't tell anyone. Okay, we just made it out of the airport. It was really smooth sailing. Like, I feel like when you get to Australia, as soon as you show an Australian passport, they're just like, see you later, like, you're cool. And just ask us questions because we did tick that we went to South or Central America because we went to Guatemala, but they didn't even ask about that. This is our bags. Waiting for mum to pick us up. We've got under 4 hours until two of my sisters finish work, but one will get home before the other. So we need to have a quick power nap. I want to have a shower and then think of some ideas to surprise them. But oh my god, it's so fresh here. And we're literally just crossing the zebra crossing before the cars stop for you. And we've been going 4.5 months with no cars stopping for us and us running across the road like crazy chickens. So we're excited to be home. Woo! Hello. Okay, so we've made it home. I've had like an everything shower because I've not had some really nice showers recently. So excited, but like the waiting game is killing me. Just staring out the windows. Surprise! How? Just quickly film it.
She walks in here and she notices.
She didn't.
Where's my thing? Oh, wow. Bro, why is it so dark in here? Put your bloody blinds up, you loser.
Wait, no way she's there. She
kidding?
was there at 8.
No, she just got in here, bro.
She wasn't looking. What the I know.
I was like, wait, I never shut my door that much, like, and you locked her in here.
Your ex.